How to fix location error in Lyft app. In this video, I will show you how to fix the location issues on this app so your rides can find you fast and accurately. Number 1 step is enable location permissions. On iPhone, go to Settings and simply find the Lyft app. Go to the apps and find Lyft, tap on it, then tap on to location and tap on to always, and while using the app and simply turn this precise location right here. Next step is simply restart your phone. Quick but effective, restart your device to refresh your GPS module and fix temporary glitches. For that, keep on tapping onto this home button just like this and tap on to restart. And next step is simply updating the app. Go to the App Store just like this and simply open the Lyft application just like this, and if there is the update version instead of open, simply update it. And that's it. This is how you can fix location issues onto the Lyft app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.